dear children, Unit Reading for Pleasure, Lesson 50. The topic of today's lesson is Oceans in Danger. Let's start our lesson. Ребята, сегодня мы будем с вами читать текст. После прочтения текста, пожалуйста, переведите слова, которые выше даются, переписывайте их в свои словарики и переводы рядом пишите. И то, что вы написали, отправляете по Едумарк. Так. Now let's start. Oceans in danger. Think of all the wildlife that lives in and around our oceans. There are fish and dolphins that swim there, and birds that feed on the fish. Now imagine there is a floating island of rubbish on the sea. What happens to the wildlife? The fish eat the plastic, which is bad for them. The dolphins can't breathe because they can't reach the surface. The birds get caught in the plastic bags and can't fly. Unfortunately, this is not just in our imagination, it's actually happening, and it's putting our oceans in danger. Half of the life on our planet is in the seas, but we are quickly destroying it. Every hour, humans throw over 2 million pieces of rubbish, especially plastic, into the oceans. The plastic breaks into small pieces, but it never goes away. Like giant monsters that are swallowing the ocean, huge islands of plastic cover large part of the Pacific and Atlantic. Unless we can find a way to clean the oceans up, sea life will probably disappear from them. We humans depend on the sea for food, but many fish species are quickly disappearing. In the Atlantic, the tuna is almost extinct, and everywhere sharks are an endangered species. One reason is that modern fishing methods are wasteful. Fishing boats use huge nets that trap large numbers of fish. Most of the fish they catch they throw back into the sea. If the oceans run out of rubbish, it will mean millions of people worldwide will go hungry. Most of us don't see what is happening in the middle of the sea, but there are things we can do closer to shore. In many areas, water pollution is poisoning the natural habitats for wildlife. Chemicals kill the plants that fish feed on, so they have to migrate farther away. This means less food for all the other wildlife. Oil from ships affects birds. A seabird that has got oil all over it will try to clean itself by eating the oil, and along with it the chemicals in the water. If volunteer groups clean up these areas and take such birds to clean up centers, they may survive. It's in that way we can be a part of the solution. Ребята, теперь, пожалуйста, делаем домашние задания. Study skills – это какие у вас должны быть навыки. Matching headings to paragraph. То есть здесь даются в каждом параграфе, если вы заметили, каждый параграф был обозначен какой-то определенной цифрой, 1, 2, 3, 4. И к этим параграфам вы должны соответствующую тему подбирать здесь. Значит, здесь даются A, B, C, D, E. Вот это название, то есть тематика, да, этих параграфов. Вы должны их правильно в соответствии привести. К какому параграфу что относится. Для этого вам нужно прочитать внимательно еще раз первый параграф, все параграфы. В каждом параграфе есть определенная главная идея, и вам нужно найти, что, о чем там говорится. Также нужно назвать вам текст по-новому. Целостные слова. Have a nice day. Goodbye.